guys, welcome back to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm gonna bring you another awesome tutorial. Today is all about Sailor Moon. As you can see here, I have a 3D Perler giant Sailor Moon, but today I'm not showing you how to build this one because I did the live video before to build this one, and I also have a Skillshare class that break this into different parts so you can build this step by step at your own pace. So I'm gonna put the link down below in the description so you can check out the tutorial videos, and also my Skillshare referral link is gonna give you a 1 month free membership so you can check out my class and other classes as well. So in my 3D Perler Sailor Moon collection, I also have this cutie. Oh my god, this is one of the famous one. A lot of people made this one, and I also have a tutorial so you can also check it out in my description. This one is really cute. Like, it's like a charm right here. You can add like the candy necklace as well. And then another one in my collection is this little cute like a mirror thing. I think I did a lot of short video, Instagram video on this one. Actually, this one can actually move a little bit, but I haven't done the tutorial because this one I really have to break it into different pieces and remember how to build it, but I'm gonna work on it, so don't worry. So now I'm gonna show you the newest one to my collection. Woohoo! So it's this one, Sailor Moon on top of the heart-shaped one. I think I show it on my Instagram and also on the YouTube short if you get a chance to check it out. So this one is actually pretty cute, and you can even add your own accessory. You can add like little belts or like other little perlers that you make. And then this one is made with the mini bead because it takes a lot of pieces, but you can also build this with the regular bead, but it's gonna be like this big. I think it's gonna look like this size, so you can see the comparisons of the size. If you prefer something bigger, you can build it with the regular bead, but if you like something tiny small, you can use the mini bead. So since it's actually two parts, you can see, can move this. So today I'm gonna show you how to build this one, and then we're gonna save the Sailor Moon, this mini one, for next week. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you check out my story on Instagram, I'm gonna have the pattern ready so that you can build this one before I have the tutorial video release. So once I release, you can build this one immediately. So if you're new to my channel and you love making 3D perlers and DIYs, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the bell so you will get notification for all the new video coming up. And I have a lot of tutorial video on my channel. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. And also, if you found my video useful, please give me a thumbs up and also share with your friends so they can make cute things like what you're gonna do. Okay, all right, so let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, so let's get started. I hope you got all the pieces ready, and let's go. Alright, so as you can see, we have two of the same pattern, and then this one is a little bit different. So this one is going to be in the center, and we have our connector here. So this is going to be the centerpiece, and then we're going to stack it up like this, and then this one will go to the back. Alright, so let's use the connector to go with the first piece first. Just like so. So now we can connect those two pieces in the back. So this way is a great way to start, so that we have this one in hand. Okay, move a little bit up. Yeah, I think I'm missing a beat here, but that's fine. All right, so this one go to the back. Yep, just like that. So as you can see, we already have all the pieces together. Okay, all right, so let's build the outer pieces to connect, to get this bottom part finished first. Yay, I have all the pieces here. Okay, so the slimmer one goes to the side, as you can see. So just simply pop it on there. Yep. And then the other side. This tutorial is gonna be very easy, and then but we have the cutest thing, right? And then this piece is gonna go to the top and also the back. As always, make sure that the side lay flatter on there without like the gap or a little gap. That's the best piece. All right, so we got it done. So as you can see, the top part, they're kind of like loose, so we have to connect them. So let's bring those connector pieces from here. It's only 5 connector. Okay, so let's go from the side. Okay, so I think this one is the connector for the side. Yep. Ooh, takes a little energy. Okay, so let's work on the other side. So it's this one. Yep. Or you can do it one by one, but if you do Lego, like you kind of put everything all together. All right, so as you can see, this kind of formed together already. Let's work on to the top. So this little one is actually for the top. If you find it challenging to put it together at once, just open it up and slide it through. Okay, and then this one. Yay, we got it. So we got one more piece to stabilize the center, so which is this one. So we go under, open it up, and slide it in. There we go, we got this in. All right, so this piece is gonna sit on here. So this is gonna staple the platform for Sailor Moon to stand. But be careful because it's very easy to break with the mini beads. Yep. Looks like we're almost done. Let's bring other pieces over. So these are the remaining pieces for this cute little heart-shaped one. Okay, so you wonder what this is, right? So this one will go all the way up here. Then you will find out why later. But right now, so just gonna open it up because they're very flexible, the mini beads. Just open it and then slide it all the way in. Yeah, so just do it gently and then open the beads so it can slide it in. And then maybe this way, yep. It's like wearing the clothes. Sometimes it looks tight, but you can still fit it in, right? All right, so that fits in perfectly. And then now we're adding these two, like the decorations. So this one also, you have to kind of like go one side. And then once you fit it in, kind of open it up. So when you have it like this, you can slide it in as far as you want. But I like it like maybe right here, right under those same color pattern. And then we got one more, we're gonna slide it right here. So let's do the same thing. Also go with one side and slowly, gently, and then slide it in here. And we can just come all the way over here. All right, looking like we're done, but adding this one is kind of custom. You can add anything you like, but I found like the crown, so I think like I really like the crown. So here you can see a little hole, and then you can also buy these accessories from like those craft stores. They always have these, and then just simply plug in there, and then adding this one to here. Okay, and then just close it. Yay, we're done. And then if you wonder what this one is, actually this one is gonna place it right here onto the top. So as later on, after we build the Sailor Moon, let me move this over here. So after we build the Sailor Moon, the feet is gonna go in here so it can stand on top. Isn't this cute? I hope you enjoy making this one, and if you do, tag me on Instagram and then to show me what you make, and then I'll give you a special shout out in my story. Alright, so let's build Sailor Moon next. Yay!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.